Okay folks, so this is the COMFIER Knee Massage and Heat Brace, and the company did send this to us in exchange for this video. Primarily my wife is the one who has been using this. She does have some issues with her knees, but she has found that this has been a big help. Now it does come with two different settings, massage, which is a vibration, and also a heat setting. My wife says for her the thing that helps the most is the heat, but that's just because of the various issues she has. The massage here is also very well done. It is a vibration, but you can adjust the settings to get it to your liking. And what I do like about the settings for the vibration, it's not just a simple repeating pattern. So many massagers do that, and after a couple of minutes it does start to feel a little bit samey. Whereas with this, it tends to have some different variations in the patterns of those vibrations. You can just have it on constant vibrating mode, or you can have the vibration off completely. Same is true for the heat. There is a high heat setting, a medium heat setting, but you can also have that off completely. And what's great is the vibration and the heat settings work independently of one another, so you can use them both at the same time, or you can just have one or the other active. Now, the box itself does include two of the knee braces, so you can have both on at the same time. They connect to each other with a cable, or if you prefer, you can disconnect the second one and just run one of these at a time. It will still work even without being connected to the second, but the second one, of course, won't work unless it is connected to the main powered brace. The material is very soft. It is also nicely padded. However, it is still flexible, so you can wear these knee braces either in a sitting position with a bent knee, or if you prefer to, lying down flat. But as I say, my wife, she's been using this for a little while and has found it to be very helpful. So thank you for watching. I hope the video helped.